Managing your contact database in HubSpot is essential for effective marketing and customer relationship management. HubSpot provides a robust set of tools to help you organize, segment, and maintain your contact data. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to manage your contact database in HubSpot. 1. Accessing your contacts. Log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the Contacts tab, usually located in the top menu bar. Here you'll find an overview of your contacts, including the total number and key metrics. 2. Importing contacts. To add contacts to your database, click Import and choose the source of your contacts, which can be a CSV file, Google Contacts, or other sources. Follow the on-screen instructions to map fields and customize settings as needed. 3. Manually adding contacts. You can add individual contacts one by one. Click the Create Contact button and fill in the contact's details. 4. Organizing contacts. Use lists to segment your contacts based on specific criteria, such as location, behavior, or lead status. Create custom properties to add unique data fields for your contacts, tailoring your database to your needs. 5. Contact scoring. Set up lead scoring criteria to prioritize and identify your most engaged and potentially valuable contacts. 6. Email marketing. Utilize the email feature to send targeted email campaigns to specific contact lists. HubSpot's email marketing tool allows you to track opens, clicks, and engagement. 7. Contact workflows. Create workflows to automate contact engagement. For example, set up a workflow to send a series of emails to nurture leads or trigger specific actions based on contact behavior. 8. Data hygiene. Regularly clean and maintain your contact database. Remove duplicates, correct inaccuracies, and ensure data quality. 9. Integration. HubSpot can integrate with other tools and applications you use, such as CRMs or e-commerce platforms, to keep your contact data up to date. 10. GDPR compliance. If you deal with contacts in the European Union, be aware of GDPR regulations and ensure compliance by managing consent and data storage. 11. Lead attribution. Understand the source of your leads by tracking how they first engaged with your content or website. 12. Reporting and analytics. Utilize HubSpot's reporting tools to gain insights into your contacts' interactions, conversions, and marketing performance. 13. Exporting contacts. If you need to share or use your contact data outside of HubSpot, you can export contacts to a CSV file. 14. Segmentation and personalization. Use HubSpot's segmentation tools to create highly targeted marketing campaigns based on contact properties, behaviors, and interactions. 15. Data backups. Regularly backup your contact data to prevent any data loss. Effective contact database management in HubSpot is vital for building strong customer relationships, delivering personalized experiences, and driving successful marketing campaigns. Regularly review and optimize your contact database to ensure it remains a valuable asset for your business.